Namaste friends. In this video, I will take you through a demo of our latest feature which is called Connect. So if you haven't updated to the latest version which is 3.4.66, please download it from our website kpnox.com. So what is the Connect platform? So basically Connect is a new feature which works like a two-way street, meaning either you can post a chart and ask for some kind of assistance, or you can provide assistance if you know what kind of a solution or remedy can be given for the problem posted by some other user. So basically Connect is a program which only KPNoX Plus users have access to. Now, unlike a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group wherein everybody can interact, and most of the times you won't even know what is going on. Here it is more structured, and you know that whoever is giving you a solution is following the principles of Astro Vastu. Now, the Connect program basically works based on points system. When you register, you automatically get 3 points, and you can use every point to post a chart. And the way you accumulate points is you give out solutions to charts posted by somebody else, and if they like your response, you get a point. And there are notifications that you get automatically. Now, there are two ways of opening it. One is either you click on this link here, so it opens in your default browser, or you can use the copy link feature here to open it in a browser of your choice. So let's say I use this. Now I have not posted any charts here. You can see you can update your nickname. So basically by default your registered name and the nickname are one and the same, but you can change that here. But please keep in mind this can be done only once. Now, how do we post a chart? So if I have a chart where I need some kind of a help, let's say for example this chart, this particular chart, I need some kind of guidance. So what I can do is I can click on this new icon that you see here, which is post to KPNoX Plus Connect. If you have points, enough points, this window will pop up. Otherwise, it will tell you that you don't have enough points. Now, the kind of information that you see here, this is the only thing that is posted to the web interface. Once I post it, I'll show you here again. Right now, you can see that I have no records here. I already have some text with me. So let's say I need help. This is basically for a grade 4 student who is not doing pretty well in the school. So let's copy this. Whatever information is required for other users to create this chart, these are the only bits that are shared. So you can see here that there is a subject line and there is a description. You can see there is also a restriction on the number of characters you can input, 100 characters for the subject. Please keep it as precise as possible, meaning you stick to the context. It is much more useful for somebody who is analyzing your chart. And if you can describe the problem or problems in 1000 characters is pretty good, and you should be able to describe the problem, right? Once you are satisfied with the information you have input, you can see these are all the bits that are also going to get transferred. Nothing else apart from this, not the name or any other information or even the comments that you have for this particular chart, none of it gets shared, right? So if you are sure about this, because you can't edit this information, all right, let's go ahead and post it. And you should see that it has been posted to KPNoX Plus Connect. So this icon automatically gets disabled. Now let me go here and refresh. So you can see I have posted one chart. You can click on this to see the details. If you have received any responses, you will get to see the responses here, and you will also get to see a like button. So for any response that you like, you can click, response that you have received, you can click on like, if the solution given is as per your requirement, right? The moment you like a particular response, the individual who has given you the solution gets a point. Okay, this is how the points system works. So you can post as many charts as the number of points you have, and if you want to see any other charts that have been posted, right now there are no charts because this is a new platform, and in the next couple of weeks you should see people interacting here. So if you click on analyze, you get to see all the charts that have been posted by other users, and you can respond to those charts. So if the user likes your response, you get a point. Okay, this is how the points system works. So I hope I have covered this concept, and you will be able to use it to your advantage. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.